Well, you can tell I am not in the bonus room today, or this evening rather. We are actually in my truck getting ready to travel to Floors and Decor to pick up some hardwood floors. So let's go on our way. We'll meet you at the store. So here we are at Floor and Decor, and we are picking out our hardwood floors for the bonus room. Check it out. We are going with this burley wood 2 acacia distressed solid hardwood, 3/4 inch. It's got a nice distressed look to it, and it's gonna look sharp up in that bonus room. So we're picking up enough boxes for the bonus room. I'll probably come out here over the next several months, pick up a box here or two at the same time so we can do the entire upstairs. It's just a little too much to put in the truck and pay for to do 900 square feet at that price. So we are going to just get the bonus room done now, and then we'll work on the other parts as projects 7, 8, and 9. So until then, we'll see you back at the ranch. All right, we are in the parking lot of Floor and Decor, and we just picked up all of our hardwood floors for the bonus room. There's Floor and Decor over there, and here's all the hardwood floors. My truck's weighted down, of course, but we've got it, and we're on our way home. See you then. So we just got back from Floors and Decor, and we unloaded all of the hardwood floors for the bonus room, and they are sitting very nicely right here in my garage. So we're gonna lock up for the night and get back at it tomorrow. Till then, peace out.